Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is.
The question is managing chest pain depends on its underlying cause and severity. Here are general steps that may be taken in managing chest pain. 1. Assessment and diagnosis. The first step is to assess the severity and possible causes of chest pain. This may involve a detailed medical history, physical examination, and diagnostic tests such as an electrocardiogram, ECG, blood test, chest X-ray, and possibly imaging studies like CT scan or MRI. Step 2. Immediate treatment. If the chest pain is severe or suggestive of a heart attack, myocardial infarction, immediate and medical intervention is crucial. This may include administrating medications such as aspirin to reduce blood clotting, nitroglycerin to improve blood flow to the heart, and pain relievers. Emergency procedures like thrombolytic therapy or percutaneous coronary intervention (PCI) may be necessary in cases of acute coronary syndrome heart attack. Medications. Depending on the cause of chest pain, medications may be prescribed. For example, if chest pain is due to angina caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscles, medications like beta blockers, calcium channels blockers, hydrates, or statins may be used to symptoms and reduce the risk of further heart problems. Non-cardiac causes of chest pain, such as gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD) or musculoskeletal issues, may require different medications and treatments tailored to those conditions. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle modification can play a significant role in managing chest pain, especially if it is related to cardiovascular health. This may include adopting a healthy diet, low in saturated fats and sodium, rich in fruits and vegetables, regular exercise, smoking cessation, and stress management techniques. Monitoring and follow up. Regular monitoring and follow up with healthcare providers are essential to assess the effectiveness of treatment, manage any side effects of medications, and adjust treatment plans as needed. For chronic conditions like stable angina or coronary artery diseases, ongoing management may involve periodic testing such as a stress test to evaluate heart function and adjust treatment accordingly. Surgical or interventional procedures. In some cases, surgical procedures such as coronary artery bypass, graphic CABG, or angioplasty with stent placement may be recommended to improve blood flow to the heart, reduce symptoms of chest pain. Management of chest pain requires a thorough evaluation by healthcare professionals to determine the underlying cause and tailor treatment to individual needs. It's important for individuals experiencing chest pain to seek prompt medical attention, especially if the pain is persistent or accompanied by other symptoms such as shortness of breath, dizziness, or sweating, as these could indicate a serious medical condition like a heart attack. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.